Friends, next is Ctrl Q. Ctrl Q is select all the content of the worksheet with the quick analysis toolbar will appear, including formatting, charts, tools, totals, tables, and sprinklings. So when you select a cell and put the Ctrl Q, press a Ctrl Q, and it will give you the formattings of different types, the data bar, color scales. So you can select and just put the cursor on that particular formatting. You can see the view, how it looks like, and what you want. Then you can select any. Control R is with the fill right. So it's similar to the Control D, like Control D fill down, then Control R is fill right. Suppose there's a one gibberish values here, and if you press the select the down cells and press Control D, then it will copy paste the value. But so if you select the right cell, right side of the cell, which have the value like F7, then the right side of the cell is G7, and you press Control R, then copy and paste the value from the left side. Another example for that, like cell number 7, it's a G8. Row number 8 is G8 is go to a certain area value. When I press D8 and click Control R, it copy and paste the value which was in the left cell. Okay, next is Control S. Control S is a save. Control S, if your file already saved without any editing, then it will just save the file and no prompt has been come. But suppose if it is any you did some action and then Control S, then also save. But if you are working on a new Excel, and you save first time, then it will ask you for where you want to save the file, and what is the location of the file, and what is the name of the file. So you can, like, you select desktop and you can give the file name, and then you can save it. Next is Control T is create a table box like this. It's look like similar for the Control L. Next is Control U is underline that particular cell or the set of the cells which you have selected like this. You select, and Control U is underline the text or values. Next Control V is if you copy something, some cells, like I select this copy and select another cell and press Control V, then it will save. It will paste the values. Okay. Next is Control W is asked for to close the particular file. If this file already saved without any editing, then it will ask you want to save or not. Then if all the file already saved, then it will automatically close this. Control X is the cut all the cells in the highlighted sections. Like if I cut Control X here, Control Z I put. If I put here Control X, then here Control V, select another cell and Control V, then it will paste the value. Or I select some cells, then Control X and Control V, then it will paste like this, right? Another function is Control Y is repeat the last entry. So last entry means suppose I select a row and right click and delete this row column. Then if I press Control Y, then it will repeat all the actions. So you see that every time it's delete the columns. So some same for reverse of this. If I insert one column, then if I press Ctrl Y, then every time it insert the columns. So whatever you do last time, it will repeat the last function. Control Z is whatever you did in the last section, it will be rolled back. Like suppose I see Control C and Control V here, and if I press Control Z, then my last action was Control Z, Control V, then it will be revert actions.